What's up, everyone? Welcome to Mack's Public Land Hunting Outdoors. This evening, hopefully this is going to be a great video for you. It's going to be an unboxing. I don't do many unboxings, but this is a radio I've been looking for a while. Got it in really good conditions, not great conditions. It's got some engraving on the bottom, person's name or social security number, but it's pretty good condition, at least by the pictures. I've got a 40 channel one similar to this. I'll post a link up here somewhere or at the end. But this is a awesome radio. Hopefully you won't see me frustrated in a minute, because this thing's either going to work or it's not. We're going to plug it in and see if it works. I've got a power cord from the other one set up right here, because I didn't see a power cord on this. It didn't mention it. But anyway, let's do the unboxing. This will probably be the thumbnail for a while, until probably a couple weeks, and then I'll put a picture of the radio on here. So anyway, let's get this thing unboxed. This thing has not been opened. This thing has not been opened. I guess this is an antenna. The antenna's got some corrosion there at the bottom. I saw that in the video. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look great. So there's the antenna. So I may have a power cord. Steve and Music Man, I hope you're watching. Check out their channels if they leave comments. They do some really cool videos on walkie-talkies and stuff. Well, there's a power cord. I guess it might take a different power cord than the other one. I can tell you they wrapped this thing up nice. I'm cutting myself. I'm trying to do this so fast. Oh, here's the mic. I won't show you the front of the mic yet. There's the mic. So we got the mic. I will give it to this seller. He packaged this thing. Boom, voila. It's a 13861. Looks like that's broke. I didn't notice that in the thing. I don't know where that power cord is going to plug in on this one. But what we're going to do is we're going to set this thing up. There's the antenna. It goes in right there. But you know what? I'm not going to have to hook that up, because I'm going to hook it up to my antenna right here. So let's do that. Okay, that was hard enough getting the antenna hooked to the back of it. Now let's find the end of my power cord. What do I do with it? Oop, gotta have the microphone in. Well, it works. Now I'm going to do a review on this, a power test and a review, range test on this in the near future. But let's Break 7, break 7. Anybody got a copy on Big Mac? Alright, we're going to set this thing right here. We're going to see if we can get my walkie-talkie to come into it.
A former Bear County deputy booked into the same jail where he's accused of running the city today following an indictment.
Let's put on channel 23.
Power going to the Midland 13861. Audio.
Alright guys, as you see, this thing works.
Right around the northwest.
Some skip coming in. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. Leave me some comments. Like I said, I'm going to do a complete review of this, power test on it, range test in the future. I just want to show you this unboxing. It does work. It's got a few imperfections, but it's not bad. It actually looks pretty good. Got a little broken antenna holder. The antenna's got a little corrosion on it. I'm cleaning it up. Other than that, this thing looks really good. Let me know if you like this video. Check out my playlist. I'll put a playlist right here. Hit the subscribe button right there. And leave some comments. Appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.